Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, it's me and I came back with another new video, and today I would like to show you something very special, very special, not only special, very special. So that is Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is one of the famous framework from the CSS. So I would like to show you that how could you learn first Bootstrap. So if you have Sublime, just open the Sublime, or if you have Notepad, open the Notepad. So for me, I like Sublime. So let's get started. So I would like to open a folder, this one. So drag it and drop it here. So I will give you the download link of this Bootstrap file. So just open the folder, click the folder and see there is two folders, one final and one starter. So I will open the final file now. So there's so many HTML files. So just open one file. Double click here, yes, and open from this one, starter. So I'll open the same one. So I open basic typography and from the final file, and I will open the typography file from the starter also. So there's two files, right? This one from final and this one from starter. So what should I do? I will view in the layer. Okay, so I will go to the view and layout. I'll use the column tool. So this will be very easy for me to see both things and together, both files together. So I will drag the file and take it, put it in the second layer. So that's it. So now what I'll do, I will click here and short the line also from the header. Okay, so also from here I will do the same. Yeah, so I'll go first here. Okay, so see the things. I'll open this file on the browser. Okay, this is how I can see. This is the starter file. Okay, there is nothing yet applied from the Bootstrap. This is the raw file. Okay, so what should I do? I will see the final file, what type of class they use. I will apply here. So this one heading 1, so they didn't use, they just put one example. So I will use a class. Let's see, class, and what I will do, AS2. Okay, you can see this AS2 is already suggested by Bootstrap for class. So I'll put it and I will save it. So now what I'll do, I'll refresh the file. See, this one is heading 1 now. This is the size. You see the change? So what I'll do the same for the other classes. H2, 3 is 4. Yeah, please. And the last one is 6. Okay, I'll see. Now refresh. You can see the reference. Design. Suppose I would like to make this one header 1. So I will put it I'll change the class from H6 to H1. So I'll save it. I'll make refresh the browser and see. So that's how it's work. So let's try another one. So this is the display class. This one called display class. So this one, for the first time without the class, you can see like this. Okay, you can see like this. So what I will do, I'll change the class. I'll put the class. So what I'll do, just to follow the thing, they give the instruction display one. Everywhere they have instruction, it neat and clean. Just you will check from this area and apply here. We'll check this area how they apply. So you'll follow this one, how they do it. So after get the classes, after get the instruction, we'll put here in the same. So that's how you can learn easily. So I'll try. So I'll put display one. Display one. Okay, I put it, I save it, and I will check how it's look. See, only for the classes it's come the bigger size, more than the header one. The header one size, you can see the difference. This is display one, right? So now what I'll do, so do the same here. So I'll see what they do with it. The paragraph, this is paragraph. Okay, it's very common, and there is nothing for the paragraph. The paragraph look like this in the Bootstrap. Okay, so there is one lead. Okay, so we'll try this one. See, they put the classes. So because I don't know what is the class, so I'll see from here, I'll put it here. This kind of practice. Okay, so we'll practice, we'll see and practice, all the classes. So if we do the same, we'll try for the first day, we'll try the 5, we'll try this. There's so many lists. Okay, so we'll try this 2, the next day we'll try this 2, next day we'll try this 2. If you like more, if you like to practice 5, it's up to you. So okay, let's see what is the lead class. So I will put here lead class LE lead. Save. Now I will see what's the difference between paragraph and lead. See, you can see the difference. This is the paragraph and this is the lead. Okay, so I will try another one. I would like to check. So there is monospace paragraph. So there is another one. There is another category. You will get the paragraph. You will get the lead paragraph. You have option to make monospace. So I'll try. So there is also monospace. You see, I'll put a class. Yeah. So what I'll do, there is the right text monospace. This is the name of the class. Text hyphen monospace. Monospace. Okay. So I will save this one and I'll check this one. This is the monospace paragraph. I'll refresh this one. Wow, see, this is very easy. So guys, this is the way. So there is all the files. You see typography, alignment, float position, color, background, spacing, sizing, breakpoint, media object, jumbotron, buttons, navbar menu, all the things you will get from the final file, and you will practice on the starter file. Okay, so this is the way, this is the method. So that's how you can learn the Bootstrap very early, because for me, I learned it by this way, and also I show my friends, I told my friends and give them this way. So this method also work with them. So other people, they learn from maybe W3 school and other things. So So if you learn from the Google, from other sources, so I don't think so you can learn any early. So by this method, if you want to learn, if you practice, for me maybe only 1 week, on the 1 and 2 week, we learn all the Bootstrap classes. Just you need to do, take from here and put it here. So you need to practice, not only one time, twice, third. So many times you'll practice. So practice will makes you perfect. So guys, that's it, and check the download link. I will put this. I will give you the download link for these 2 files. Just download it and start practicing coding. Okay. Take care. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, and if you have any question purpose of this, just let me know. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda Hafiz.